I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up two-factor authentication on Kraken. This essential security feature adds an extra layer of protection to your account, safeguarding your digital assets and personal data. We will walk through the process step by step, ensuring you understand each stage. Implementing 2FA is a simple yet powerful way to significantly enhance your account's security against unauthorized access. Let's get started. Kraken offers various two-factor authentication methods, each providing different levels of security. Authenticator apps, such as Google Authenticator or Authy, are popular and convenient. For the highest level of security, consider a hardware security key like a UBI which uses FIDO2 standards. These physical devices offer superior protection against phishing and malware. Choose the method that best suits your security needs and comfort level. To activate two-factor authentication, first log into your Kraken account and go to the Security section. Here, you will find options to enable 2FA for various actions, including login, funding, and trading. Select your chosen method, for example, an Authenticator app. You will then be presented with a QR code or a secret key to input into your Authenticator application. Confirm the setup with a generated code. Once two-factor authentication is set up, remember to store your recovery codes safely. These codes are crucial if you lose access to your 2FA device. Never share your codes or login details with anyone, as this compromises your security. For enhanced protection, consider enabling separate 2FA for different actions, such as logging in, withdrawing funds, and placing trades. This multi-layered approach significantly strengthens your account's defenses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.